हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप ऑल यू आर वेल एंड फाइन. ओके, इन लास्ट क्लास we completed microorganism friend and foe. So in first unit, which has biology first unit, which has three parts, which were crop production and management, microorganism friend and foe, and third is conservation of plants and animals. So we completed the two parts, crop production and management and microorganism friends and foe. Okay, so in last class I already told you that today we are going to see the revision part, and if you have any doubts related to this chapter you can ask. But there is a change in plan. First, we will complete this third chapter, Conversation of Plants and Animals, and then we will arrange a live lecture for your doubt solution and all the things you need, revision process. All this we will do after completing the chapter. So, we will complete biology unit 1, which is crop production, microorganism, and conversion, by completing this chapter. So today we are going to start a new chapter. So let us watch a video to see what we will be learning about. So what did you see in the video? We can see that many trees were cut in the forest and land was very much cleared. And how do you feel when you see this area? From my opinion, I feel very sad because when I saw many trees were cut, then there was a feeling that they should not be cut just for in simple use, like in paper or many other things, or we need land for mining or making factories. They should not be cut. Okay, so based on this, what we saw, can you try question number 13.1 in the practice question number 13? So this question was, what did you see in the video? We saw many trees were cut, and then how do you feel? I feel you can write your own response your ways. Okay, now let's start deforestation. What are the few causes of deforestation? What are the few causes for deforestation? Causes of deforestation. Deforestation is carried out to provide land for cultivation of crop or field building houses or other infrastructure. Deforestation मतलब क्या? Causes of deforestation is the another word. But first, what is deforestation? Deforestation is a clearance or it is a cutting of forest to make something from that land, like to make a factory or to grow crops. In short, it is used to in another ways other than forest, right? So deforestation is a clearance or cutting of forest to make forest land available for other use. So there are many reasons for deforestation, and we need land for cultivation or for building infrastructure. So there are many other ways. These two ways are the major ways that causes the deforestation. Causes of deforestation is wood is being used to manufacture many objects such as cupboard, chair, beds, etc. Deforestation is necessary to obtain the required wood. कोई भी चीज़ जो लकड़ी से बन रही है तो वो कहाँ से आएगी? फॉरेस्ट में से. जब वो फॉरेस्ट में से वुड कट करेंगे तब we can get any wooden things that is made. So this is the second reason why deforestation is happening. So now we saw that for building materials, for area or for cultivation of crop there is deforestation, and second is for making the wood. We need wood for every usage. We see very much uses of wood in our daily life, nearby life. So now let's see what are the consequences of deforestation. So deforestation affect the atmosphere in following ways. If there are lesser forests, there will be more carbon dioxide and there are fewer trees to absorb carbon dioxide. Trees lose water through transpiration and this water goes into water cycle and bring rain. So cutting down trees means less rain. So here are the first two reasons how the deforestation will affect the atmosphere. જે વાતાવરણ છે વાતાવરણમાં deforestation કેવી રીતે અસર કરશે. એમાં ફર્સ્ટ જે છે ફોટોસિન્થેસિસ પ્રોસેસમાં કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ ટ્રીઝ કે લીવ્સ એક્સેપ્ટ કરશે અને ઓક્સિજન આપશે. જો અગર લેસ ફોરેસ્ટ હોવાના મતલબ લેસ ટ્રીઝ હોવાના લેસ ટ્રીઝના કારણે કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ એબ્ઝોર્બ થતું એન્વાયરમેન્ટમાંથી ઓછું થઈ જશે. સો દેટ ઇઝ ધ ફર્સ્ટ રીઝન, દેટ ઇઝ there will be more carbon dioxide. જ્યારે એબ્ઝોર્બ થવાનું ઓછું થઈ જશે ત્યારે મોર અમાઉન્ટમાં કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ નેચરમાં અવેલેબલ હશે. ઓકે, સેકન્ડ ઇઝ ટ્રી લૂઝિસ વોટર. જ્યારે ટ્રી આ ફોટોસિન્થેસિસ પ્રોસેસ કરે છે પછી એ વોટર લૂઝ કરે છે ટ્રાન્સપિરેશનથી અને એ વોટર સાયકલમાં યુઝ થશે અને ધેન એ વોટર સાયકલ કન્ટિન્યુ કરવા માટે રેન આવશે. બેઝિકલી વોટર સાયકલ ઇઝ ટુ બ્રિંગ રેન, રાઈટ? સો જ્યારે ટ્રીઝ કટ કરશું then water cycle will be running in very low amount and then that will bring less rain. Now third is, thus in a longer run deforestation will lead to an increase in temperature all over the planet due to greenhouse effect and lesser rains. Okay, after a long, these are the short term period. In a 1 year period we can feel the consequences. Last two were. Now this third one is a long term plan, like it will affect in very long time. જેમ કે જે ટેમ્પરેચર છે અત્યારે, like right now it's monsoon season but there it feels like it is in summer. For an example, right now I am at Surat and here monsoon is going on, but at the time of 11 o'clock it feels like it is a summer time and 2 or 3 o'clock is there and then that much heat is there at the time of 11 o'clock in the monsoon season, so it feels like summer, right? So these are the temperature consequences that we face in the deforestation in over a longer period due to global warming, and global warming happens due to less amount of rains and disturbance in the water cycle and environmental cycle. Temperature, there will be some disturbance, there will be some changes and that will cause the temperature effect on the planet. So this is the third part of deforestation. Okay, so we saw the three parts that deforestation affects in the environment or atmosphere. So now let's see deforestation that affects the soil. The roots of the tree hold the soil together and help absorb rainwater. So when they are removed, excess water does not get absorbed. This leads to flood. જ્યારે કોઈ બી ટ્રી છે એને વોટર સોઇલના કારણે એ વોટર એબ્ઝોર્બ કરી રાખશે અને જ્યારે બી રેઇન આવે ત્યારે સોઇલ એ વોટર એબ્ઝોર્બ કરીને રેઇન વોટરને એબ્ઝોર્બ કરી લેશે. સો જ્યારે ટ્રીઝ ઓછા થશે, ડિફોરેસ્ટેશન થશે, ત્યારે જે રેઇનનું વોટર છે ટ્રીઝ ઓછા હોવાના કારણે એબ્ઝોર્બ નહીં થશે ને એના કારણે વધારે પાણી ભરાઈ જાય તો ફ્લડ આવી જાય છે. કોઈ બી એરિયામાં ફ્લડ આવશે જ્યારે વોટર એબ્ઝોર્બ ટ્રી નહીં કરે. Second part is when trees are removed, it causes soil erosion. When the tree nutrient-rich topsoil gets eroded, rocky layers were exposed, and the fertile land is converted into desert. This is known as desertification. Now, second point is कि જ્યારે આપણે trees remove કરીએ, soil erosion. You already know what is soil erosion, I guess. સોઇલ ઇરોઝન બધાને ખબર છે, જેમાં સોઇલને નુકસાન થાય છે, ડેમેજેશન ઓફ સોઇલ. સો જ્યારે ટ્રીઝ રિમૂવ થઈ સોઇલ ઇરોઝન થાય છે એના કારણે જે સારી અમાઉન્ટમાં સોઇલ હોય છે, જે ટોપ ન્યુટ્રિશન આપતી હોય આપણને, એ સોઇલ બધી ઇરોડ થઈ અને રોકી લેયર્સ જે નીચેથી પાણા પથ્થર છે એ બધા ઉપર આવી જશે. એના કારણે ત્યાં કલ્ટિવેશન કોઈ જાતનું નહીં થઈ શકે અને જે ફર્ટાઇલ લેન્ડ હતી એને આપણે ડેઝર્ટમાં કન્વર્ટ કરીએ કે કેમ કે ડેઝર્ટમાં કઈ વસ્તુ ઉગે ને ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ ફર્ટાઇલ, રાઈટ? So that will be converted into desert and this is known as desertification. Okay. Third part is deforestation also affect the water holding capacity of soil and consequently the water table. जो डिफॉरेस्टेशन होता है वो ट्रीज की वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी लास्ट फर्स्ट पॉइंट में हमने डिस्कस की थी कि वो ट्रीज सब वाटर होल्ड कर लेते हैं, वरना there will be causes of flood. So deforestation also affect the water holding capacity of the soil. Okay. Now third is how it will affect the wildlife. First we saw the deforestation for atmosphere in 3 points. Then we saw the deforestation for soil in 3 points. And now we are going to see deforestation that affects the wildlife in other following ways. So first is forestations. Forests are home to millions of species of flora and fauna. Animals, flora is plants and fauna is animals. When forests are cut down, this species loses their natural habitat. क्या होता है कि जब फॉरेस्ट कट कर देते तब वो फॉरेस्ट में जो रहते पेड़ पौधे और जो कोई भी एनिमल्स रहते हैं वो कहाँ जाएंगे, तो वो अपना रेगुलर रूटीन जो डेली हैबिटेट है उनकी लाइफ वो लूज कर देंगे. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स आर एट रिस्क ऑफ बिकमिंग एक्सटिंक्ट और एंडेंजर्ड आफ्टर लूजिंग देयर हैबिटेट. अगर जो तुम लोगों का तुम्हारा घर नहीं होगा, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल you lose your home, then what you after sometimes you need another home, otherwise you will lose your life. तो वैसे भी जो ऑल द फनाज है, जो एनिमल्स है, उनके घर हम छीन लेंगे. अगर डिफॉरेस्टेशन होगा तो हम उनके घर छीन लें, तो मतलब जो अभी है जैसे टाइगर्स है तो वो बहुत लेस अमाउंट में है पूरे वर्ल्ड में. सो दे आर गोइंग टू बी लाइक डिस्टिंक्ट. जैसे अभी होंगे ही नहीं, जैसे डायनासोर है, सब बोलते हैं बहुत सारे थे, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम दे बिकेम एक्सटिंक्ट बिकॉज दे विल नॉट longer available to see. In metro cities like Ahmedabad, Surat, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, देर इज़ नो कोयल. जो कोयल बर्ड आता है वो कहीं पे वहाँ पे सुनने ही नहीं मिलती. In Moa also we can hear sometimes, but not frequently that we used to see in the villages, right? So they are becoming extinct, like they are going to no longer exist in the world because after losing their habitat. So, based on the understanding of deforestation in three types, in atmosphere, in soil, and the last one was in wildlife. So now let's see practice question number 13. We already saw the first question. Second is what is desertification? When land is deforested, the soil is no longer held together by the roots of the tree, and then the rich nutrition will erode and the rocky layer will be exposed, and then plants will not grow in the soil, and this is known as desertification. Third is, what does soil erosion affect the fertility of the soil? How does soil erosion affect the fertility? जैसे fertile soil है तो soil erosion की वजह से वो कैसे affect करेगा? Soil provides plants with nutrition that needs to survive and grow. जो सॉइल है, सॉइल प्लांट्स को पूरे तरह से न्यूट्रिशन तो वो सब प्रोवाइड करता है ताकि वो अच्छे से ग्रो हो पाए। और जो रिच न्यूट्रिशन वाली सॉइल है उसको एरोड कर देंगे डेजर्टिफिकेशन के वजह से। वो डेजर्टिफिकेशन होगा तो वो सॉइल जो रिच न्यूट्रिशन वाली सॉइल है वो इरोड हो गए, इसीलिए सॉइल इरोजन फर्टिलिटी को डिक्रीज कर देती है, क्योंकि जो रूट न्यूट्रिशन वाली सॉइल है वो इरोड हो जाएगी और उसकी वजह से दैट विल लीड टू डेजर्टिफिकेशन। ओके, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज desertification associated with global warming? Explain. Tree loses water through transpiration, which goes into water cycle and brings rain. Cutting down trees means less rain, higher temperature with less rain, which mean that the earth will continue to get warmer. जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है, मैंने अभी बताया आपको कि ट्रीज लूज वाटर नहीं करेंगे, सो ट्रांसपिरेशन प्रोसेस से वाटर साइकिल नहीं अच्छे से चलेगा, उसकी वजह से रेन में थोड़ी दिक्कत आएगी। और जितने हम ट्रीज कट डाउन करेंगे, जितना ट्रीज हम काटेंगे, उतनी अमाउंट में रेन कम आएगी, और जितनी अमाउंट में रेन कम होगी तो जब रेन आती है तब जो गर्मी होती है उसको एकदम कन्वर्ट करके एकदम टेम्परेचर को कूल डाउन करता है। बट अगर रेन ही नहीं आएगी तो टेम्परेचर कूल डाउन नहीं होगा, तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ता जाएगा। सो द हायर टेम्परेचर विल विद द लेस रेन, वो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि अर्थ है वो ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर बढ़ता रहेगा और वार्मर होगा, दैट विल कॉज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। And the fifth 13.5 is, how does deforestation lead to frequent droughts and floods? Deforestation की वजह से droughts और flood क्यों आती है? Because roots of the trees that absorb water, और deforestation की वजह से कम अमाउंट में ट्री होने के कारण जो वाटर है रेन वाटर वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होगा, एंड एक्सेस वाटर जो रेन वाटर एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, वो पूरे फैल जाएगा, वो इट विल नॉट बी एब्जॉर्ब, देन इट विल स्टे ऑन द लैंड एंड दैट विल कॉज flood. So cutting down trees leads to global warming, and global warming causes extreme weather situation like droughts. Okay, so here we are at the end of concept time number 13 with practice question number 13. Let's keep it till now. Read the concept time number 13 and write the practice question number 13 in your notebook as a homework and send it to me. And then in next lecture we will start concept time number 14. How do we need to conserve plants and animals? I hope till now it is cleared, and if you have any doubts, stick it out. We will check in next session. All of you, thank you and have a nice day.